Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well and all of you are studying. Okay. So, today we are going to study biology. Today we have studied chemistry. Now it's turn for your biology, which comes under your science subject. Okay. So, we'll study biology, and already we are studying chapter 2 components of food, and in that part we have discussed various types of food: energy yielding food, bodybuilding food, protective food. Already we have studied, and I told you what were nutrients. Also we have studied nutrients and the 7 types of nutrients found in food. What are those? First one is given here. Can you see here? First one is given, carbohydrate. What are the other nutrients? Minerals, vitamins, protein, water, roughage, okay, sugar, fats. Okay, sugar will come under carbohydrate, then fat. Okay, so all these one by one will study. So the first one is carbohydrate. Okay, the first one is carbohydrate we are going to study. So carbohydrates in our food are following in 2 types. One is sugar and starch. Okay, so in our food carbohydrate is found, but in which form? In 2 forms. That is, one is sugar and another one is starch. Okay, and what is starch? Starch is a white tasteless powder insoluble in cold water, while sugar is sweet crystalline substances which is soluble in cold water. Okay, so in detail, first of all, what is sugar? It is a simple carbohydrate. Okay, simple carbohydrate are found in 2 form. One is sugar, second one is starch. Okay, and 2 types of carbohydrates are there. One is simple carbohydrate, second one is complex carbohydrate. Okay, so sugar is simple carbohydrate. You can see here it is given. Sugar is simple carbohydrate, and it is found in what? It is found in fruits. Sugar means what? Which you eat and feel sweet. Okay, sugar you which its taste is sweet, like fruit is sweet. Most of the fruits are sweet in taste. Then honey is also sweet. Okay, so in honey sugar is found. Okay, then table sugar means which we pour in the tea. Okay, that is what? That is also what? Sweet. So sugar is found in what? In fruits, honey, table sugar, jaggery or beet sugar, etc. Okay, so what is sugar? Sugar is a simple carbohydrate. Okay, it is a type of nutrient. What kind of nutrient? Carbohydrate. It is a type of nutrient which is in simple form of carbohydrate. Okay, once again I am telling you what is sugar. Sugar is a type of nutrients found in what? Which kind of nutrients? Carbohydrates. It is a simple form of carbohydrate. What are the examples? Examples are, it is found in what kind of food? Fruits, honey, table sugar, etc. Okay, then second type of carbohydrate, that is starch. Okay, so what is starch? It is complex. Sugar was simple and starch is complex. Okay, so starch is complex carbohydrate. Sugar is simple carbohydrate, starch is complex carbohydrate, and store energy in the form of starch. Okay, so when we eat plant products containing starch, our digestive system breaks down starch into more simple sugar called glucose, and this glucose is ultimately absorbed into the blood and provide us energy. Okay, so starch is one of the kind of carbohydrate. Okay, and when we eat something, any type of food, when we eat, then what happens? We chew it. After chewing, After achieving, what happens? It breaks down into the very minute particles, and those minute particles are from that energy is released, that is called as glucose. Those energy are absorbed by our blood, okay, and from there only we get the energy to do any work. Got it? So this is the function of starch. So starch is what? It is complex carbohydrate. It is a type of nutrient in the form of complex carbohydrate which break down into simple form and provide us energy to our body. Okay, once again, what is starch? Starch is a complex carbohydrate. It is a nutrient in the form of complex carbohydrate which breaks down into simple form and provide us energy to do any work, any activity. Got it? So, and what is starch? What is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is one kind of nutrient which gives us energy to our body. Got it? So carbohydrate is a type of nutrient which provide us energy to do activity and different types of work. It is in two form. One is sugar, another one is starch. Sugar, what is sugar? Sugar is simple carbohydrate which are sweet in taste and found generally in fruits, then honey, table sugar, etc. Okay, so first type of nutrients we have discussed. Okay, and starch are found in what kind of food? You can see here, starch are found in rice, wheat, corn, potato, bread, roti, noodles, pasta, and so many other food items. Okay, so starch are found in which food items? Rice, wheat, corn, potato, roti, noodles, pasta, and so many other food items are there. Okay, so first nutrients we have discussed, that is carbohydrate. Okay, so you can see here, fruits. Apple is there. It is sweet in taste. It contains sugar. Banana, it also contains sugar. Honey, it also contains sugar. Then table sugar which we mix in the tea, it contains sugar. Milk also contains sugar. Got it? So these are the food items from where we obtain sugar. Got it? Okay, so you'll do these questions. Define carbohydrates. What are the sources of carbohydrates? And what are sugar and starch? Write its sources. Means from which food items we get sugar and starch. Then what is carbohydrate? What are the sources? Means from which food items we get carbohydrates. Okay, so you'll do these two questions. Got it? So see you in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.